Good evening, everyone. Today we will start our fourth chapter, physical education and sports for children with special needs. Divyang. Divyang means disability persons. Children with various types of disability such as vision impairment, deafness or hearing impairment, mental retardation, speech or language impairment, traumatic brain injury, blindness, poor body mechanics, etc. have the right to develop their abilities in a democratic society through the process of education, but usually it is seen that they have limited opportunities, so it becomes the duty of a school to provide them with such opportunities so that they develop their abilities. For the disabilities person, special education or related services are required. Such children are unable to undertake activities that are performed by normal children. The school must provide special physical education programs for such children who are unable to receive benefits from regular physical education programs. Now we will discuss meaning of adaptive physical education. Adaptive physical education means a specially designed program of development activities, games, sports and rhythms suited to the interests, capabilities and limitations of students with disabilities. Adapted physical education provides safe, personally satisfying and successfully experiences of physical activity to children who are differently abled. In fact, it is a direct service, not a related service. It can be applied for infants and even toddlers who need early intervention services because of development delays in physical, cognitive, communication, social, and emotional aspects. Adapted physical education is not only for differently abled infants and students but also for the people of all ages. Now we will discuss aim of adaptive physical education. The aim of adaptive physical education is to help differently able students to achieve physical, mental, emotional and social growth. Planned program of regular physical education and recreational activities. In fact, its aim to provide equal opportunity to the differently able students to participate in physical education programs. Now we will discuss objectives of adaptive physical education. The first is ensure services to meet special needs. Related services are those services which may be needed in order for a child with a disability to benefit from special education. They may include transportation, speech language services, psychological services, physical therapy, occupational therapy, therapeutic recreation, assistive technology, social work services, counseling services, and school nurse services. Second is develop motor skills. Another significant objective of adaptive physical education is to develop motor skills of students with disability. Basic motor skills are running, jogging, doing any physical work. Motor skills are essential for performing not only specific tasks but daily routine activities also. These skills enable physically disabled students to become active and agile. Third is enhance self-esteem and self-image. To enhance self-esteem and self-image of students who are differently able is another important objective of adaptive physical education. In fact, all students can do activities according to their abilities. Set goal for students, for example, to throw a ball 25 times. If they perform it easily after certain period of time, their goals can be set higher. If the goals set are realistic, then students can achieve them by working on their motor skills, thus increasing their self-esteem and self-image. If we will do repetition work, we will definitely improve or develop our skills. Fourth is ensure participation of students in physical education programs. Another important objective of adaptive physical education is to ensure that each student actively participates in physical education programs regularly at his own level at their the students is integrated into the regular education program whenever possible. Fifth is improve physical fitness. To improve the physical fitness of differently abled students is another vital objective of adaptive physical education. In fact, modified or adaptive exercises are provided in the programs of adapted physical education to improve physical fitness. If differently able person will join the physical fitness programs, definitely they will improve day by day, because if they will do the exercises on regular basis, they will improve their skills. Sixth is motivate students to protect themselves. The next important objective of adaptive physical education is to motivate differently able students to protect themselves under any condition that may be aggravated through certain physical activities. Seventh is promote sportsmanship qualities. To promote sportsmanship qualities among the differently able students is also one of the major objectives of adaptive physical education. Participation in adaptive physical education programs naturally improve sportsman qualities. If they will join these types of fitness program, they will definitely improve sportsmanship qualities. Eighth is develop knowledge of good mechanics. To develop knowledge of good body mechanics is another important objective of adaptive physical education. In fact, adaptive physical education helps each individual to develop knowledge and sense of appreciation with regard to good body mechanics. And the last point is improve social adjustment. To improve social adjustment among differently able students is another objective of adaptive physical education. In fact, social adjustment are essential, especially in today's society. Participation in programs of adaptive physical education helps the differently able students to make social adjustment